Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we will see how to fix and solve @everyone problem on Messenger app. If you are trying to enter or mention everyone in your Messenger group chat but you are being unable to do so, then all you have to do is go to the App Store, search for Messenger and see if there is any latest version of Messenger to be updated. If you see the update button instead of the open button on the side of the Messenger app, then simply tap on the update button and make sure to update your Messenger. The next thing that you can do is simply go to the settings and scroll all the way down to the Messenger app. Tap on it. Make sure to turn on the background app refresh button like this. Now, again, go back to the settings, scroll all the way to General, tap on iPhone storage, scroll down and find Messenger, click on Offload App button, and then again tap on Reinstall App button. All these things will help to clear any glitches that your Messenger app is facing, and you will surely get to use the @everyone feature on your Messenger after applying all these steps. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. If you have got any queries or recommendations, feel free to reach out to us through the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.